Hey guys, this is part two of the renovation. So, if you guys remember, we did hardwood in this living room with baseboard. Got the white vents. I thought it looked pretty cool. Brand new blinds. All the ceilings and walls have been painted. Painted that bar. Added baseboard around there. We did brand new linoleum in the kitchen. Painted those little cabinets over there. On back, we added good trim across the back of that countertop. Go on down, continued the linoleum. Down into the laundry, new baseboard. All walls, ceilings, doors have been painted. Go on back this way, we added brand new hardwood in this master bedroom with baseboard, blinds, paint. Free float it straight into the closet, no transition. I think it looks a lot better without transition, separating the rooms. Brand new door right here. Added same type of linoleum that's in the kitchen in both bathrooms. New trim, vents. It's all been painted. Go on to the back, or the front, I should say. Came out pretty nice comparing. If you go back and look at part one, you'll see exactly what it looked like beforehand. So we got the same type of linoleum. I wanted to keep it the same, that way there's not several different types of flooring in one house. On back here, we got the hardwood, new baseboard, blinds. Came out pretty well. Okay, so let's hop outside and see the brand new steps I built. I had to build steps in the front and the back. Again, if you watch part one, you'll see exactly how bad they were. And here are the steps I built. We added a brand new carpet. Brand new set of steps with the railings, carpet, trimming. We fixed some skirting over here. Otherwise, on the outside, that's really all I had to do. Just build some steps. And then you'll see these ones that I built right here. Came out pretty well. The steps with the railing. And yeah, that is it for part two, guys. Please try to watch part one so you know exactly what I did. And if you guys enjoy these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you want. And yeah, I'll be starting another one soon, so I'll be posting this one up. And then probably a week later, I'll be posting another before video on the trailer I'm about to start. And that's it, guys. Thank you.